this week we did our introduction to traditional bachata, so a little bit about that.
Yeah, so we spoke about the origin of traditional bachata and bachata in general from the Dominican Republic. We also talked about the types of beats and songs that are in traditional. We also put on some music to distinguish between both of them, and also the rules of traditional bachata, which is no turns, no body rolls, no weird combinations. Basically, it's all kind of in place, freestyling, just kind of dancing and feeling the music. So we went over the box step, which is the traditional basic. So we did a few variations of the box step in traditional. So we're going to do the regular one, which is false.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And then we went over the foot behind, foot behind and foot forward box that looks like this. 5,
6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And then we also added a little flair with a little slide. So it's going to look like this. 5, 6, 7,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So this is just the box step, the regular, the counts are the same. All we're doing is just a little flair and playing with our basic beat.
Okay, and then we do a little connection exercise. Basically, whenever we're in our closed position, leads are providing frame. They're providing a nice connection forward. So if we think, hold a balloon or a big ball, and then we're going to drop it down, and then we're going to open up our hands, and then bring our palms and with our fingers down to the ground and getting forward pressure here. This is exactly the kind of position we want. It's kind of a position. Okay? But yeah, so that is basically all that we went into for the connection part. Both of us are equally giving pressure here, just making sure that we're both seeking the connection towards each other. Okay? Okay, so the next part of what we did for our class was syncopation footwork. So I'll go over those very quickly in a couple variations. So the syncopation on one, basically syncopation is the movement between the big beats, the
And beats, so one and
their and beats. So syncopation on one is going to be counted 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, and it looks like this. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 again. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 again. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So for each of those times, I did a different variation. We did with our heel, we did with our toe, and we did with a swivel. And I can break this down a little bit later if you guys would like. But second syncopation. Syncopation on 2 looks like this. We're going to do the 2 in place first. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 again. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Essentially what we're doing is just doing a double tap with one foot. The second tap, we're putting our weight down, and then we're stepping and collecting on that other foot. If you want to do a little bit of variation here, it's going to look like this. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. So basically what we're doing is we're kind of like stepping out, and then we're kind of sliding this foot behind. Okay? Syncopation on 3 looks like this. 1, 2, out, back, cross. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. that should be pretty much it for class today.
Thank you guys.